Hey guys, it's Hoover here, and today I will be unboxing the iPhone 6s Space Gray 32GB. So, gotta carve into this box here. Okay, that should be good enough. Then you can just pry this open. Okay, here's a bunch of stuff, we don't care about that. Here's what everybody came for right here, the iPhone 6s. So, I need my knife again. Carve that plastic wrap. So, and then lift it up. It says success right there. We're gonna set the phone. Here's the phone. We're gonna set it off to the side and see what's inside. So we have just the tray. Then we have your little. Always get it in every single iPhone. Get your Apple stickers. I'm keeping those, and then just like information. We don't care about that either. We have your Apple headphones, the charger, and the cable for the charger. All the things you're gonna need, and then we'll take a look at the iPhone 6s here. It's way bigger than my old phone. Take off the wrap. I'm gonna get fingerprints all over this. So here is the iPhone 6s compared to my old 5C. Here's it compared to the iPhone 5S. Here is the iPhone 6s compared to the iPhone 6. Sorry, it's really shattered. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go play with my new phone now.